Hi, I'm Keith. Can I ask you a question? Are you struggling to earn money online? Have you made your first dollar yet? Well, relax, because I'm here to show you how easy it really is. How? There's a new program that shows you how to earn online and it's called the 12-Minute Affiliate. This is a review of it. Here's how it works. First, find an affiliate program that's making thousands of dollars for others. Second, plug it into the 12-Minute Affiliate system. Third, order some done-for-you traffic. That's it. The system will automatically promote your affiliate links for months on complete autopilot. So, looking at all these facts, this system is really too good to pass up, right? Especially when it's risk-free. You have nothing to lose but opportunity. With this system, you don't need your own website. You don't need to have your own products. You don't need any special skills. You don't need to blog, or know social media. Based on all these benefits for you, I'd give the 12-Minute Affiliate system a resounding 4 stars recommendation. You simply can't lose by using the system risk-free. So click the link now. You'll be glad you did.